Hey, it's Rafael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent. Today we'll be checking out Grande Construction. They're a true custom home builder that can build and customize everything you could ever want in a home, except one thing that we'll get into later. But you can select one of their floor plans and customize it to suit your specific needs and taste, or they can build you a fully custom home. And Grande isn't restricted to any particular community. You can build on your own lot here on the Treasure Coast, and they're especially popular here in Port St Lucie and Martin counties. So if you're looking for a new construction home like this one, reach out. This is what I do. I help people just like you buy, sell, or build their home. So here we have the beautiful Barbados B model. This model is going to give you 2,560 square feet under air, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and its rooms are more clearly defined. This home has a separate family and living room, a breakfast nook, a dining room, and for the model, they opted to have bedrooms 4 and 5 merged into one larger club room leading out to the pool deck. And you can also access the pool from the master suite, the cabana bath, and easily from the foyer and living room if you're hosting a party. And while this home is unfurnished, and I know that can make it difficult for some to visualize, remember this is a fully custom home and builder. So think of this home more like a blank canvas or the building blocks for the home you imagine. With that said, you can change and add custom selections, design elements, and everything you could ever want in your dream home, except for a fireplace. This builder won't do a fireplace, but come on, it's South Florida. You won't really need one anyways. So if you want a true custom home that you can build from scratch, or you want to take inspiration from one of their many popular floor plans, Grande can do just about anything. So make sure you reach out to me, give me a call, send me a message, or schedule an appointment so that we can go over what you're looking for in a home and go over some really important information you'll need when you're buying or building your new home. Otherwise, take a look around, make sure you stay until the end, and enjoy the home. So hopefully you enjoyed that beautiful model by one of our local builders, but this is just giving you a small catalog of what's available here on the Treasure Coast. As always, I'm going to put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about our communities or our builders, or if you're looking to get into this area and want to get an idea if this would work for you, if this is the right location for you, I'm here to help you with that. And if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to give out a ton of information that's going to help you make your decision about living on the Treasure Coast. And I'd love to help you with anything you like to do here in our market.